Hi, this is Gloria de Jesus, and I am in Regency Lakes, and I want to introduce you to the latest listing that I have here at 4956 Pelican Street. This house is gorgeous. Wait till you see what it looks like inside. This is our beautiful country style kitchen. It is magnificent. Take a look at our beautiful kitchen with this humongous island. Have the soft closed doors. Gorgeous, gorgeous kitchen. And this is our master bedroom. And now bear in mind that our master bedroom is on the first floor. So it's got this lovely upgraded bathroom, master bathroom. And here is our designer bathroom with travertine all over, Italian travertine. Hi, happy holidays. I hope you'll come and join me for our open house. It is a winter wonderland here, Florida style. So please come and join me on Sunday from 1 to 3 and see your new home with this beautiful flagstone patio.